Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the display preset on your Mac. If you're a creative professional working with color grading, photo editing, or video production, selecting the right display preset is crucial. Let's dive in. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Then, navigate to Displays. If your Mac supports display presets, such as Promotion, HDR, or P3 color profiles, you'll see a Preset drop-down menu. Click on it to view the available options. Some common presets include Apple XDR Display, P3-1600 nits, great for general use. HDR Video, P3-ST2084, best for video editing. Photography P3-D65, ideal for photo editing. Internet and Web, sRGB, optimized for web browsing. Select the preset that fits your workflow. If you're editing videos, go for HDR or P3-ST2084. If you're working with photos, the P3-D65 preset ensures accurate colors. Depending on your Mac model, you may also have options for refresh rate, True Tone, and Night Shift. Make sure to fine-tune these settings to enhance your display experience. And that's it. Now you know how to change display presets on your Mac for a more optimized visual experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.